up? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Bree. I post every Monday, Thursday, and Friday, and I'm a little crazy. Just a little bit though. So today, finally, we're going to be opening my FabFitFun box, and I'm going to be just pulling out products. I'm not going to look at what they are or anything, like look at what everything is right off the bat, so let's just get on into it. Hopefully I don't have too much trouble actually opening the box. So there's just a HelloFresh $50 gift card, $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. Claim within 30 days. I don't think I'm gonna do that. So I guess you can use the code if you're gonna use this. I don't know if you can. Just pause the video right here and use the code for $50 off your first 2 deliveries. So let's get on with the video. I mean the unboxing. So I'm just opening up this box here. Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. It looks like it's already been opened, so that's fun. Oh, is it like a roller ball? Needles no more. So that's just what it looks like. Oh no, it's just got a little squeezy tube. Just like shove it up my nose. I don't think it smells like anything. So yeah, I will definitely be using that because, you know, your girl gets a little puff once in a while. Now this is frozen, but this is leave-in conditioner from, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that, but this is leave-in conditioner and it is completely frozen. As you can see, it's cold here in Canada, so yeah. The struggle is real. This is Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I love the packaging, like the reflective stuff and the light pink. Let's see if I can open this within a few seconds. Let's just rip it. I need some more translucent powder too, so this is good. It just comes with a little paper. I don't know. I don't care. Yikes. Yeah. I love the packaging. It's so cute. Just a little loose powder. You poke little holes in there. Didn't come with a little puffy thing. That's kind of interesting. It smells kind of perfumey, but I don't know if that's like the box and like this thing, or if it's like the actual powder. You shouldn't be able to smell the powder, right? Because it's like in there, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, we got a big thing. Bigger thingy. Champagne charcoal scrub. Champagne charcoal scrub. This isn't frozen. I guess charcoal doesn't freeze. Exfoliant. And it's a luxe and gentle body scrub formulated with charcoal to remove dirt and buildup, leaving the skin polished, hydrated, and refreshed. So yeah, it just looks like this. It's the brand and everything. That's pretty cool. I love little scrubs like this. I always love using them. Make my body nice and smooth. Oh! These are cute! If I ever move out, I can use these. I'll show you in a second if I can open it. They're measuring spoons, but they're like rose gold. That is so cute. I think I'm gonna put them in the box just like this and like leave it. Just like that. Adeline Warren would love these. Oh my god, I should tell her I got these and be like, yo, would you like them? Or not. I got a jump rope. This might actually be handy in the summer. I wonder what color it is. I like don't want to open it because I know I'm not going to use it like right now, but I want to know what color it is. Oh, it's blue. It's blue. I kind of want to take it out, but I kind of don't. It's really intense. Wow. That's like an intense high-end jump rope. If that's even a thing. Apparently it is, in my mind. Ooh, what's this? I feel fabric. Bree robe. Oh my god, is this an actual robe? Like one of those thin, like, cute ones? Or is it just like... Oh my god, it is too! You guys! I think it's just one size. Ooh, I really like this. This is so cute. It's like pretty see-through, but I kind of like it. I'm kind of digging it. What would you like? It's short sleeve. It's really cute. I hope it's kind of long enough for me. I think it's one size, so this is like the brand, I guess. Just came wrapped up in this little thing. Show me your moo-moo. It's called a Bree robe, Garden of Blooms. Literally, but Bree spelled like the cheese. I am not cheese. I am Bree with the E's. And this is... These feel like sunglasses, actually. I'm showing you like a bag, like you can tell what it is. How exciting. Yeah, this is spring 2019. Okay. Okay. I can fuck with these. These are cute. I don't think they'll look good on me though. Oh, I really like these. And you can't see my eyes, I don't think. Can you? I don't know. I'll ask my brother. These are cute. I love these. I have so many sunglasses. I don't know if you can see. No, you can't. My sunglasses are like hanging up on my wall over there. Yeah, it's pretty intense. These are so cute. I love bigger sunglasses like this too. These are awesome. I'm obsessed with this box so far. Well, so far, I think that's it. Yeah, that's all that I got. Wow. I'm like really excited to try this out. Like my measuring spoons. Oh my god, I need to bake now. I think that's it. So comment down below what would you really enjoy out of my box if you got it in your box, or what you really enjoyed out of your box if you got a box. If you didn't, then like I don't know. I forget how much FabFitFun is every season. It's 4 times a year. They charged me $90 for this box. I don't think it was worth it, just because like I know I got a $50 gift card, but I'm never going to use it. Like HelloFresh is just not my thing. But I don't even know if you can get it in Canada. Probably, because they gave it to me in Canada. But I don't know. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please press the like button if you did. All my links will be down below as always. I love you guys so much. Stay strong, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.